Hey guys, and I'm super excited. So I'm about to head over to a wedding expo that they're having here in Tampa. So I'm gonna try to get some clips and vlog a few things for you guys. So let's go. So we're at the wedding expo. These cakes are really nice. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at these cakes, guys. Look at that. That is so pretty. So we're at the bridal event and they think that we're together. Like together.
Marrying each other.
Marrying each other. I was like, what?
She said so. You guys are both getting married like to each other? And we're like, no? What? No?
And I was like, oh. So maybe that's why people have been acting like strange towards us, like the entire time.
They won't talk to me, they'll talk to Shanice. Maybe they think you're the bride and I'm the dude.
Oh my god!
I'm the dude.
That's crazy.
Okay guys, so we're going to pause this video for just 2 seconds. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the expo. I didn't really care too much for it at the end of this video, so keep watching.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna run into Michael's just to see if I can find some little cute little ideas to make proposal boxes for my bridesmaids. I will do this in a separate video, a DIY, because I do want to get this sent out to you guys. So we'll see what I can find, so let's go. Okay guys, so I found these little photo boxes which are really cute. I'm probably use these for the proposal boxes and they're only $2. Only need 9 of them. I think 9. But it just sucks because they don't have 9 of the same ones. So I'm gonna just walk around and see what else I can find. I have more boxes, which are really cute. It's so funny that I decided to come here and boom, they're literally right here. So I'm gonna use these boxes to send. I like this size. This is actually pretty cute. Love never fails, Corinthians. And see, this is a nice size box. I like that it's deep. Yeah, so I don't know what size box I should get. And I'm also thinking about shipping too, because I don't want it to be too heavy, because nobody got time to be paying $100 just to ship some stuff, okay? I love y'all, but listen. So super excited. I just don't know what style I want. Gosh. See, I like that one up there. I like this one that says, all good things. But I kind of want it to match our colors too. So I don't know. Let's see if they have some on this other side. People are looking at me like I'm crazy. They don't. So yeah, let's go and look around. They have some on this side too. Okay guys, so I found some boxes. I got these here and they're $2. All good things. I don't really care too much about the saying, but I mean it's affordable and it's in my budget, so it works. I really don't care too much for this either, but it matches the colors that I'm going with, so it's gonna have to work. The most important things is what goes inside of the box, and we'll figure it out from there. But yeah, so these are my proposal boxes that I'm going to use, and then I'll just put cute stuff inside of it. Okay, and just that fast I changed my mind because I want all the boxes to be the same. So I decided to go with the traditional boxes, and I'm going to actually paint the boxes and go from there, because I mean honestly I feel like that's just going to be more realistic, and I want the boxes to kind of be the same. So I'm going to get some paint and a paintbrush, and I'm going to decorate the boxes myself. Okay, so I bought some of this paint here. Not sure if it's focusing. I got some paint, and then I got some brushes. I'm gonna just put everyone's name on them and do it that way. All right guys, so in my focus, Okay guys, so the expo, I mean, honestly, it was okay. It was just kind of, it wasn't really like what I expected it to be. They had like cake tastings. They had a few vendors there that had foods, but it wasn't really what I wanted it to be. I don't know if, I don't know, you know how when you have like automatically have like something in your mind of how you want it to go and it doesn't go that way. So for me, it was just like, what am I here for? But I mean, it wasn't terrible. It wasn't terrible. I'm not gonna say that it was terrible. It was expecting a lot more. I did win a raffle for a venue, but I already had a venue and I left. So they texted me and was like, hey, claim your prize. And yeah, so I just told them to bless someone else with it because obviously I wasn't there and it just wasn't right, and I already have a venue, so what am I going to use it for? So there's that. But other than that, guys, I honestly just, it wasn't what I expected it to be. And I didn't even get a lot of footage for you guys, mainly because well, I didn't really have anything to record really. So what I have here is, or what I have that you guys already saw, like that was pretty much it. But I do plan on going to one in February, so bear with me. Let me know if you guys have any suggestion videos that you want to see in this wedding planning series, and I hope you guys are liking these videos so far. I'm really trying. I'm trying, but I can't show you guys something that I don't really like. I'm just not going to do that. That's not my personality. That's not the type of person that I am. If I think that is cheesy, corny, or just not legit, we're not gonna put it on this channel. That's just not what we're gonna do. So I hope you guys again enjoy these videos. Please be sure that you comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, you guys know what I always say.